I'm Grannybooster, and I want to share with you, your caregivers and family, the tools and ideas that make life a little easier and safer. This Stander Handy handle gives your loved ones and friends a helping hand when standing or sitting down. That's very, very easy to use, and it has a small portable design. If you're sitting, for example, in a low chair, it's a must for help getting up. I bought mine from Bed Bath & Beyond at an affordable price of $19.95. At our age, some of us have physical conditions that affect our hands and make it challenging to hold or manipulate our hands and to handle objects effectively. The universal quad cuff helps us do just that. It's a simple, adjustable device that's centered over the palm. It helps users hold tools and utensils securely and to use their arms to manage the device without having to use their hands. It's available at activeforever.com for around $10. If you have a bit of arthritis, you may find that it's tough to grip doorknobs. There's a really cool device called Great Grips Doorknob Grips, and it works beautifully. They are designed to provide grip for individuals with arthritis and other weakening conditions of the hand. They're soft and comfortable. They make turning a doorknob unbelievably easy. You can find the device on activeforever.com for only $9.64, and they come two to a package, which makes them a great value. As seniors, we sometimes cook for only one or two people, and that's often a recipe for wastage of food. Here are some tips from AARP. If you cook with herbs as I do, you can extend their life by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and sealing them in a plastic bag. Cook with a pressure cooker. I have for 40 years, and now they're a lot nicer to use. There are electric ones, and there are ones that fit on the stove burner for electric or gas usage. And they, again, are inexpensive, and they retain more of the food's nutrients and use a lot less energy. Use all of your food. Develop a meal plan that utilizes all of your food purchases and look for recipes to use your leftovers. And here's a great tip. Revive wilted green, hydrate lettuce, chard, any other greens by soaking them in lukewarm water for half an hour and then rinse with cold water. One of the toughest challenges for us seniors is when we're laid off from our job. Happily, AARP has a program just for us, and that's the AARP Back to Work 50 Plus program. This program connects adults age 50 plus with career information, including support, training, and access to employers. Just visit aarp.org/back-to-work-50+ or call toll-free 855-850-2525. It's a great website. It's a great way to get supplemental income or to get a full-time job. We'll be back again with more tips and resources for us seniors. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, or gadgets you'd like to share information about, email me. Email me at maris@somervillepr.com. And if you find this video useful, I'm producing many more of them, and they're all going to be available to help us seniors. So please subscribe.